You went to bed feeling fine, but you woke up at 6 a.m. with a stomach that felt like a balloon, tight, swollen, uncomfortable, and you hadn't even eaten anything yet. That bloating didn't start in the morning, it started the night before, and something you did or didn't do in the last hour before bed is exactly why it happened. I'm going to show you a drink that fixes this, but more importantly, I'm going to show you why your gut turns against you overnight, and the one thing most seniors do before bed that makes it dramatically worse. Stay with me because at the 1-minute mark, I'm going to tell you about a common bedtime habit that 80% of seniors over 60 do every night, that is silently feeding their gut bacteria the wrong way while they sleep. You probably do it too. Here's what nobody explains about bloating after 60. Your gut doesn't stop working when you go to sleep. In fact, nighttime is when your digestive system does some of its most important repair and movement work. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your gut is supposed to run what scientists call the migrating motor complex, a wave of muscular contractions that sweeps leftover food, bacteria, and waste through your intestines. Think of it as your gut's overnight cleaning cycle. But after 60, this cycle weakens. It runs slower. And when it doesn't complete properly, food residue sits and ferments overnight, producing gas. That gas has nowhere to go while you're lying flat, so it accumulates, and you wake up bloated, uncomfortable, and wondering what you ate wrong. You didn't eat wrong. Your gut's cleaning cycle didn't run properly. And what you drink or don't drink before bed directly controls whether that cycle runs or stalls. Now here's something I want to come back to in just a minute, because there's one ingredient in this bedtime drink that most people think is just for flavor. But it's actually the most important part of the whole thing, and it works on your gut overnight in a way that takes most people completely by surprise. I'll show you exactly what it is and why, right after this. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact bedtime drink that supports your gut's overnight cleaning cycle, reduces gas production while you sleep, and helps you wake up with a flat, comfortable stomach. Every ingredient has a specific job. I'll walk you through all of them. Let's get into it. The drink is warm ginger and fennel tea. And before you think this sounds too basic, let me show you exactly what these two ingredients do inside your gut overnight, because the science is genuinely impressive. Ginger first. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols that directly stimulate the migrating motor complex, that overnight cleaning cycle I mentioned. A clinical study published in the European Journal of Gastroenterology found that ginger accelerated gastric emptying, meaning food moved through the stomach significantly faster in adults who drank it compared to a placebo. Faster movement means less time for fermentation. Less fermentation means less gas. Less gas means no balloon stomach in the morning. Now fennel. This is the ingredient most people overlook. Fennel seeds contain a compound called anethol, which directly relaxes the smooth muscles of the intestinal wall. When those muscles relax, trapped gas releases more easily and moves through rather than accumulating. Multiple studies in adults with irritable bowel symptoms found fennel reduced bloating scores significantly within 2 weeks of daily use. Together, ginger stimulates movement and fennel releases the gas that's already trapped. One pushes, one opens. That's exactly what your gut needs overnight. Now, I promised I'd tell you about that bedtime habit that 80% of seniors are doing wrong. I'm getting to that in just a moment, and when I tell you what it is, you are going to recognize it immediately. Almost everyone does it. Stay with me. Here's how to make it. It takes 3 minutes. Boil 1 cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger powder if that's what you have. Add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. You can find these in any grocery store spice aisle for about $2. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain it. Add a small drizzle of raw honey if you want it slightly sweet. That's it. Total cost per cup, under 20 cents. Drink it warm, about 30 to 45 minutes before you get into bed. Warm, not hot. Extremely hot liquids can actually irritate the esophageal lining in older adults, especially those with any history of acid reflux. Warm is perfect. Let it cool for a minute after steeping before you drink it. In just a minute, I'm going to tell you about a warning. One specific group of seniors who should not drink this without checking with their doctor first. It's important and I don't want you to miss it. Stay with me. Here's the morning test. When you wake up, before you eat or drink anything, notice whether you feel the urge to have a bowel movement within the first 30 minutes of being awake. If you do, that means your migrating motor complex ran properly overnight, and pushed waste through to the end of your digestive tract right on schedule. That's a healthy gut signal. If you consistently wake up with zero urge and don't go until mid-morning or later, your overnight cycle is stalling. And that stalling is directly related to what we covered today. The ginger fennel tea, done consistently, should shift this noticeably within 1 to 2 weeks. Try this tonight. 1 cup, 30 minutes before bed. And come back and tell me in the comments what you noticed in the morning. If this video helped you, please subscribe right now. Every single week, I bring you research-backed health information that is specific to your body after 60. Next week, I'm covering the one food you should eat before 10 a.m. that keeps your gut moving all day long and prevents that afternoon bloating that hits most seniors right after lunch. You do not want to miss that one. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next week. Take care of your gut tonight. Good night.